everyone! Welcome to another video. Today we will be making crepe or crepe. Depende kung ano yung tawag nyo because others call it crepe. Usually in American or in other countries. But here, we call it crepe. So it depends na talaga kung ano yung tawag nyo. But it doesn't matter. The important thing is we have to make it yummy. Diba? Basta masarap siya, okay na yon. Anyway, there are actually two types of crepe. You can do the savory, which is you can put the medyo heavy filling like yung mga ham, cheese. You can put tuna, chicken. So it depends on ano yung gusto nyo ilagay. Depende na lang kung ano yung meron kayong available at home or kung ano yung talagang feel nyo kainin for that day or on that moment. So there, that's the savory. And the other one is my favorite, which is the sweet or the dessert crepe or crepe. So we will try it. You can actually use your regular pancake mix in making your crepe. You just have to make it more liquidy or more, more malabnaw. So, lalabnawan nyo lang siya. Meaning, you will just add more water to it or more milk. Depende kung ano yung nilalagay nyo. Because others put milk, others put water. Pwede naman any. But of course, if you put milk, it's more creamy, more yummy. So, mas maganda kung milk. So, dadagdagan nyo lang yung measurement nyo for milk para maging mas malabnaw yung texture niya. And then, when it's already mixed, pwede mo na siyang gamitin as your crepe mix. And I also add sugar if you'll be making dessert crepe. Or you can also add drops of vanilla extract. So, kung dessert yung gagawin nyo na crepe, it's nice to put sugar and vanilla extract para mas mabango and mas masarap. So, but if you'll be making savory, pwede nyo nang skip yung sugar and the vanilla extract. So, pwede nyo nang hindi lagyan kung savory yung gagawin nyo. But anyway, I'll be making dessert crepe first. And maybe I'll do the savory crepe next time. Maybe I'll make a part 2 of this. So, let's do the sweet or the dessert crepe first. Okay? I'm excited! Okay, let's start! First, of course, I'll show you the ingredients. Okay? Here they are. Wait lang. Of course, for the ingredients, you can use any brand. And then, of course, you'll be needing your pancake mix. And then, milk. And then, you can put, of course, any fruits that you like. And then, the cinnamon powder and the extract of vanilla is optional. And then, you need some sugar, egg, and then Nutella, of course, and butter. By the way, before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell below so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, time to start! There's your mix. There. So, dapat malabnaw siya. Ganyan siya kalabnaw. See? See, malabnaw siya. Unlike the pancake mix, diba medyo thick siya. This one, malabnaw talaga siya. I'll show you. Yan, see? There. So, malabnaw siya dapat than the pancake mix.
Okay, cooking time. So, you just have to use any ordinary pan kasi syempre wala naman tayo nung equipment na pang crepe. So, you can use yung mga ganito lang. Basta importante is non-stick siya and flat. And then, you just add butter and then ito na yung mix natin. There. So, when you pour the mix, kailangan i-swirl nyo or iikot nyo yung pan para mag-spread throughout the bottom of the pan yung mix para maging flat siya. Kasi di ba dapat nga manipis lang yung crepe. So, you have to swirl it or turn your pan around. And then, I usually do this para maging rounded yung edge para mas magandang tignan. Although, usually, yung mga first few tries nyo, I'm sure hindi perfect yan. Madalas kasi napupunit siya dahil manipis. So, dapat very, very careful lang.
A few minutes later.
So, pag dry na yung top, yan, pwede nyo na unti-unting i-lift. So, medyo dahan-dahan lang talaga. Init. Medyo dahan-dahan lang talaga para hindi mapunit. But usually, sa una, again, na madali siya mapunit, lalo na pag first time. So, don't get discouraged. Try nyo lang ulit. So, there. So, luwagan lang and then i-flip na. Slowly lang din and very gentle.
Ayan na nga, nagbe-break na nga siya. Anyway, basta if it happens, it's okay. You just try again. Nabe-break talaga or napupunit talaga siya sa start. Kasi nga, manipis siya, so madali siyang mapunit. So, kailangan talaga matyaga lang. You start loosening the edge first. Pag medyo maluwag na siya, then you can slowly flip it para maluto naman yung kabilang side. So, you can do it.
Okay, now let's prepare our fruits. For now, I will be making or preparing bananas and I'll make some mangoes para dalawang option, whatever they like. Okay, for the mangoes, may tip lang ako. You can use a serving spoon or any big spoon that you have when you peel or remove the skin of the mangoes para mas smooth siya, mas maganda. Later, I'll show you the result pagka ganyan. Kasi pag maliit na spoon, ang hirap eh. Or others, ginagawa nila, kino-cube type nila yung mango. So, this one, I'll show you. Yan. So, smooth siya. Mas maganda kapag serving spoon or big spoon yung gagamitin nyo to peel the skin of the mangoes. So, yan. Just slice it like that. Okay, now is the exciting part. First is we will put Nutella. You can actually put peanut butter also if you'll be using bananas. Pwede rin yon. Or mga chocolate syrup, pwede rin yon. Pero usually, Nutella talaga yung ginagamit. Mas okay kasi siya. Kasi pwede siya sa most of the fruits bagay siya. So, spread nyo lang siya. Kung gusto nyo ng mas madaming Nutella or mas matamis, you can spread it all over your crepe. But this time, I will just put half. Usually, half lang nilalagay ko kasi masyadong matamis kapag full. But you can put full. Yung ibang pamangkin ko, they like it full kasi they love Nutella. So, it depends na sa inyo. There. Then, you can put the fruits now. This time, I'll do the mangoes first. I'll make mango crepe first. There. So, just add lots of fruits para masarap. There. And then, wait lang. Let's add more. Then, add your all-purpose cream. Yung others, they use whipped cream. Pero, inside, I just put all-purpose cream. And then, you have to just fold your crepe in half. So, be gentle kasi baka mapunit. So, there. There. And then, I usually top it up with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream or both. And then, add ko lang yung fruits again on top for garnishing para mas maganda. There. And then, I have cinnamon powder, Just sprinkle some cinnamon powder para mas masarap. Or you can also use confectioner sugar. So, okay din yun. Confectioner sugar or cinnamon powder or yung iba chocolate. So, it depends kung ano yung type nyo. Then, that's it. All done. I'm excited. Looks good.
That's it. It's so yummy. I hope you can try this at home and I hope you like this video. Anyway, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And click the notification bell below so you won't miss any of my videos. I usually upload once a week, so watch out for the videos. See you again next time. Bye!